Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Medium account. To begin, simply navigate to the official Medium website or download their convenient mobile application. You will then choose to sign up using your existing Google or Facebook account, or by providing a valid email address. After this initial step, remember to check your inbox and verify your email to fully activate your brand new account. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments. Once your account is active, the next step is to personalize your profile. Start by uploading a clear and professional profile picture. This helps readers connect with you. Next, craft a brief yet engaging biography that highlights your interests and what you plan to write about. Finally, choose a memorable and unique username that represents you well across the platform. A well-set-up profile makes a great first impression. With your profile ready, it's time to explore the vast world of Medium. You can easily discover various topics and publications that align with your interests, ensuring a personalized reading experience. Don't hesitate to follow writers whose content truly resonates with you. Engaging with stories is simple. Clap to show appreciation, highlight interesting passages, and leave thoughtful comments. This interaction enriches your overall experience. Now for the exciting part, publishing your very first story. Simply click on the Write a Story button, usually found at the top right, to begin drafting your masterpiece. Remember to craft a compelling title and a clear, informative subtitle to draw readers in. Crucially, add up to 5 relevant tags to your story. These help readers discover your content more easily. Share your voice with the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.